One way that we are going to look at this today is being able to preset groups before we use them inside of an assignment. So for this, we're going to be in the People tab over on the left-hand side. By default, it's going to throw us to a tab in this category that shows everyone. So it's going to show our students, ourselves, and any observers inside of that classroom. We're going to go ahead and move to the upper right-hand corner over here where it says Create Group Set. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to a new page, and we can name these group sets. Now, you can name these for either the types of groups that you're going to have them in, like that are going to be describing what it is that they're doing. I like to use this as the assignment name because I like to switch up the groups in between assignments. So by helping me stay organized by naming this activity or naming this group after the activity, we can quickly choose this when we're creating that activity inside of our assignments. So for this, I'm going to call this, this is going to be our charrette groups. And I believe we need an extra R in there. So, and under this, it's going to say group structure, create groups later. We're going to split them up into, we'll do this randomly. So we can either split them into the number of groups or the number of students per group. So if I go split number of students per group, I can go here and select 2, and this is going to pair them up in groups of 2. For me, I want to go ahead and choose 5. This way that they are going to be put into groups of 5. And down here, I'm going to check this box to require that they are in the same section. And this is super important, especially if you have different sections of the same class. Now, for me, I always just have been checking this box, but I have one period of this civil engineering class. So if you have a single period, it's not required that you do check that box. And then for the rest of this, I'm going to just leave them blank. I'm not going to assign a group leader. We can hit save. And what it's going to do is it's going to actually create random groups inside of this. And as it's assigning those, we can then see that each of these has 5 students that have been placed inside of it. This one only having 4, I only have 19 students in the class, so it has placed all of them the way they need to be placed. And if we expand them by clicking on these arrows, we can see who's been paired together. Now, for example, if we wanted to take a look at this and we notice that there are students that we want to move from group to group, it's as easy as grabbing these 8 dots on the left-hand side. So say I wanted to take Sam and I want Sam with those students in group 1. I just grab the left-hand side, drag it over, and now Sam is in that group. It's important to kind of set these groups beforehand. And the reason I like to do that is to show that, so I can check who's with who in case there's any issues that need to be addressed in those groupings. And I can create additional groups if needed, right? I can go here if I want maybe 2 students just to work together, or if I want to adjust these groups in terms of the number of them, I can quickly add those different groups here as well. So that's setting up groups. In a separate video, we're going to take a look at how we can take this group that we've created, in this case, our charrette group, and then apply it into an assignment so that we can have all of those students working together and turning in one thing or even multiple things.